What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boy Jose, so stay tuned. We're starting off by saturating the hair and combing everything in place. Now that all his hair is laid down, we're going to move on to balding him out with our Gold FX trimmers. You always want to make sure you're contouring your first guideline to their head shape. Always make sure to stretch your skin when balding out with your trimmers. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using your lever halfway and all the way closed will help you erase your initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, I'm trying to get 4,000 watch hours, so make sure you watch to the end. Now that our initial guideline is fully erased, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to soften up the line with your lever midway and all the way closed and get it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, you can move on to your half guard and erase the line completely. Switching over to our two guard all the way open, we're going to create our fourth guideline and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard. Now we're going to move on to our 3 guard all the way open using our flick out motion. Now I'm switching over to my smaller guards and detailing. Here I switch to my 1.5 guard all the way open. Here I'm using my 1 guard all the way open. Now that we're done detailing the sides, we're going to move on to the back and make our guidelines a little bit thicker due to the occipital bone and the high density of hair follicles. Closing our lever all the way and going up about 1 millimeter from the guideline we created with our trimmers, and then also opening up the lever midway and going above that about another millimeter will help you remove and erase that initial guideline you created with your trimmers. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Now we're going to use the half guard and erase the line completely. Switching over to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our 4th guideline and get ready for the half guard. Now we're switching over to our 1.5 guard. His occipital bone is right near the 1.5 guard and the 2 guard, so I'm making sure I'm using my lever to blend in those 2 spaces. Here we're using our 1 guard all the way open and detailing the fade with our corners. Now we're moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, and that's going to be right above our 2 guard all the way open. Moving on to the hairline, we're making sure all his baby hairs are combed down Now we're starting off in the middle and using our gold FX to make him as crispy as possible. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now we're going to be using our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades to make them as crispy as possible.